Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making mango mousse. This recipe consists of only 3 ingredients. Let's get started. In a bowl, scoop out 2 ripe mangoes. Puree your mango chunks and then sift it out. We want a smooth consistency. Next, in another bowl, add in your heavy cream and whip it until you get soft peaks. Begin to add in your condensed milk and give it one last whip. Set aside some of the whipped cream for topping. Now add in your smooth velvety mango puree and mix evenly. You can see how nicely it's coming together. Now assemble it all together. I kept aside some chunks of mango to add another layer of texture. This almost looks too pretty to eat. Enjoy this super easy and quick recipe. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the description.